you have acne, dry skin, oily skin, even combination skin, you want to be putting this on your face. Let me tell you why. Not only do I have dry and sensitive skin, but I had acne for years, so bad to the point where I didn't even want to leave my house some days. This mask has changed my life for the better, and I'm not even trying to be dramatic, it's just that good. It's gentle but effective. Praise God, my skin is so clear now and my scars are fading. This has helped me so much, and I really hope it helps you too. Let me know in the comments.
Kiss me once, then kiss me twice, then kiss me once again. It's been a long, long time. Haven't felt like this before, since can't remember when.
Open pores. It's so good, you guys can see. It has completely dried. I just finished washing my face and you guys can see how nice. Highly recommend you guys to do this mask at least once a week to notice a visible difference over time. This brings us to the end of today's video, you guys. I hope you all liked this video and found it helpful. I love you all so much. Please do try this homemade face mask and send me your pictures, tag me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. So until next time, goodbye.
Do you have blackheads, small bumps, uneven skin tone, or oily skin? I've got a 1-ingredient mask that will transform your skin in less than 30 minutes. All you're gonna need is 1 egg. First, separate the egg white and the egg yolk. Then beat the egg white until it's nice and frothy. Once you see these white bubbles, it's ready. Apply the bubbles on a clean face and wait for it to dry. Egg whites help oily skin, brighten your skin, tighten your skin, combat blackheads, and diminish pores. Once it's dry, rinse it off and then apply the egg yolk. Egg yolk is actually a natural moisturizer. I prick it open, apply it all over my face, and once it's dry, I rinse it off and like to retighten my pores with a quick ice facial. I do this once a week and it's amazing.